Hello, good day, my wonderful students. You are welcome once again to this video lesson. Uh, Today, we'll be considering pie chart. We're considering pie chart today. Now, a pie chart is a diagrammatic representation of statistical data. It is used to represent a given statistical data. Uh, Without further ado, I want us to solve an example, and I'll show you in this example how to plot or how to draw a pie chart. Now, the distribution the distribution of workers in an institution is as follows. Drivers 36, typist 44, messengers 52, others 30. Represent represent the information above on a pie chart. Now, we have to prepare a table of values to include all this data. Now, you do this, you write workers, their number, then sectoral angle, you have clerks, drivers, typists, messengers, and others. This is 78, this is 36, this is 44, this is 52, this is 30. Now we need to sum all this up. So let's put here total. When you sum all this up, 8 plus 6 14, plus 4 18, plus 2 20 0, take 2 there, 7 plus 2 9, plus 3 12, plus 4 16, plus 5 21, plus 3 24. So we have 240 staff here. Now the next thing we do is to get the sectoral angle. Now I'll show you how to get sectoral angle. To do that, for clerks to be 78 divided by the total, which is 240, multiplied by 360. If we do that with our calculator, we have 117 degrees. 117 degrees. Let's rule this like this. Now for drivers, 36 divided by 240 multiplied by 360, we have 54 degrees. For typist, 44 divided by 240 multiplied by 360 degrees, that's 66 degrees. Messengers, 52 divided by 240 times 360, That gives us 78 degrees. Then for others, 30 divided by 240 times 360. You have 45 degrees. Now when we sum all this up, 117 plus 54 plus 66 plus 78 plus 45, you will have 360 degrees. 360 degrees. Now the next thing we do is to plot our pie chart, or to draw a pie chart, which is very simple. Now let's move on to the next page. Now we're needing three items. You will need a ruler. You need your ruler to do that. You need your ruler. You need your compass. You need your compass. You need your protractor. You need your protractor. Now the first thing you do is to use your compass. Use your compass to draw a circle. Draw a circle. Like this. Look at it. After you've done that, you take that away. I don't think we need it again, so let's cancel this. Now we use our ruler. We use our ruler and draw a straight line that cuts across the center, like this. Okay, let's move that aside. Now Clarks, you know Clarks, for Clarks, the sectoral angle for Clark is 117 degrees. So we are going to draw, we are going to measure 117 degrees with our protractor. So make sure you put this at the center. Make sure this mark coincides with this mark at the center, with the center mark. Let it coincide like that, and make sure it's on the straight line. Then we can now measure 117 degrees from that. So now look at this. 117 is somewhere here before you get to 120. Look at it. This is it. 117 is somewhere here. Yeah, you see, 117 degrees. Now we can, let's use our pen to mark off this point, so it will be very easy for us. This point here, so it will be easy for us. Now we remove our protractor. Remove your protractor. Now use your ruler. The ruler is very, very instrumental here. You use your ruler and draw a straight line. To the center. Make sure it coincides with this point you've marked, like that. You see that? Now let's remove it. Now after we've removed it, we use our eraser to clean this point that we've drawn. This point we don't need. We don't need this point for now. We don't need it any longer. You can just clean it neatly with your eraser, like that. Very good. Now after you've done that, we need a pen here. Now this is 117 degrees. This is 117 degrees. 117 degrees. And this is for Clarks. Now the next one we draw is the sectoral angle of drivers, and that driver, that's 54 degrees. So we use our protractor again. Either we use this line or this line for that, but I think we should use this line. Let's move in the clockwise direction. So So move this like that. We'll put this here. Let's ensure it coincides with you see it coincides this center mark on the protractor. Ensure it coincides with this other line. Then we'll measure 54 degrees. 50, you see this is still 117, so we'll move it to 54. 54. 54. That is let me see, 54. Okay, I think this 54 should be somewhere here. 54. One, two, three, four. Okay, let's just mark this point off. Now this is 54 degrees. 180 minus 54 is 126. 126. That's why you're seeing 126 here. So we've marked it. Now let's move it. Let's move our protractor. Then we use our ruler and our pencil to do that. Now we are drawing this to the center, so it becomes like that. Okay, let's remove it now. Now we'll remove it, then we'll mark off that point. This 54 degrees. 54 degrees, and that's drivers. So the next thing we do is for typist. Let's move it again like that. The sectoral angle of typist is 66 degrees. So let's measure 66 degrees here. So 66 degrees should be 66, that should be somewhere here, 5 and 6. 66. 66. Let's just say somewhere here. Then we'll mark it. Remove, then draw. Okay, let's just this 66 degrees, and that is typist. That's for typists there. The next one is for messengers. You have 78 degrees. 78 degrees. Seventy-eight degrees. This 78 degrees here. let's just say there, approximately at that point. So we'll mark it, then we'll draw. That's 78 degrees. And that's messengers. This 78 degrees. And these messengers. Now the last one is orders. Now you don't need to measure it. This is the last one. If properly drawn, this one orders is 45 degrees. If you measure this, you see automatically it is 45 degrees. Automatically it is 45 degrees. So this is how to draw a pie chart and to represent data on a pie chart. Thank you very much. Very much. I look forward to meeting you in our next video. I'll be posting another video on solutions to problems on pie chart. This is just how to draw a pie chart. The next video will be on solutions to problems on pie chart. Thank you very much.